This has been the camera that I've used for years. Only a few videos have I done motovlogs with the GoPro. But time to switch it up. Today, we're going to take a look at the Insta360 One RS, as well as the mic adapter, and then I got the battery base. The GoPro has been fantastic for years. It's what I recorded a majority of the videos with. I do have a Sony, like a camcorder that I've used also for different shots when this was like being used for this. All right, so in my previous motovlog video, I said that the Hero 8 was going to be the dedicated motovlog camera, and there's nothing wrong with the Hero 8. The whole setup for the Hero 8 is very heavy on the front of this helmet. I was looking for something that was a little bit lighter, a little bit easier to use, something that didn't quite have the bulk that I needed for that. Like, I could just bolt the camera up there, but you got to tape the mic to the side, the mic adapter to the side, and it's just a bunch of stuff that seems like a hassle to me. In the previous video, I had this all set up. It's got the mic ran and everything in it. This is the 4K edition. I did not get the 360 one. Let's see if this will be the new motovlog camera moving forward. Got my trusty SOG knife here. So this is pretty much the same style of box that the 1X2 came in. There's the presentation when you open the box. All right, so starting off, this is the core, and this is the 4K lens. There's the core and the lens. Here's the battery. Now let's look what else accessories come with it. Charging cable, the cage, as well as the thumb screw and an adapter mount. This has the 1/4-20. They're nice and heavy duty, not like the cheaper ones that you can buy in those kits on Amazon. A cloth again for cleaning the lens and stuff off, and the most important part of it, the stickers. Okay, so I did get an extra battery base. The next is the crucial part of this is the mic adapter. All right, so there's the mic adapter. This I believe was this is the horizontal version. So part of the reason I wanted this instead of the Hero 8 is a few things. So they're coming out with ND filters that will just attach to this, and then this. So I will be able to take the camera off and out without moving all of this, because right now I need to pull this out, open this door, pull this off, and then I got to pull the camera out this way. So I'm constantly having to make sure that that is in the right position. So now we'll be able to just set it and leave it. So and then I can just pull this out the side and I'm done. I can swap batteries, swap SD cards, put it back in, and I never have to move where that camera's focused. So once I get a nice spot that's giving you guys the best view, then I can just leave it there. This little one right here, this will be where the mic adapter goes. So there's just a little button here for the door. I may have to just detach this to be able to mount this, to mount the mic adapter on here. Let's just pulled right out there. And there's the mic adapter on. This hole right here will be where the mic adapter goes. The mic adapter can come right off, pull this out, and I'm done. The ease of use of this is going to be a huge thing for me because, like I said, this will stay attached to here. But generally, I don't set things up when I leave the house. I will wait to find a nice road or somewhere safe to pull over, get things set up. So then all I got to do, slide this in, put the mic adapter on, and I'm good to go, which is a lot easier than this cage with the GoPro. For the GoPro, if you're a subscriber to their service, you pay $50 more than if you're not a subscriber. For the non-subscriber price of $349, I was able to get this, an extra battery, and the mic adapter. Whereas the GoPro, the Hero 10, would have been, if I used a different email address, would have been the $349. I don't know if the mic adapter works, but if I didn't have one, that'd be an extra $50. Their batteries are $20. So I would have been at this price versus this one at this price. So it was a little bit of thinking about the cost savings as well and the ease of use for the One RS. All right, guys, so that's the look at the Insta360 One RS. I'll be testing and for what I see as the future Motovlog setup. So from there on, it's going to be the Insta360 One RS on the helmet from here on out. All right, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you guys have stayed till the end, thank you very much. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thank you.